Alright, number 2, we want to find the greatest common divisor using the Euclidean algorithm. And what that basically says is we're going to divide the larger number by the smaller number. Starting out 7, 2, 5, 7. Okay, so we're going to take this divided by this and then we're going to get our remainder. Whatever the remainder is, if it goes in evenly, then this would be the greatest common divisor. If it doesn't, we're going to interchange our remainder in this, and we're going to divide those two numbers and continue that pattern until we get a remainder of 0. And at the time we get a remainder of 0, whatever we divide it by, that will be the greatest common divisor. Okay, so let me show you. We're going to take this number, divide it into this number, 5. I think we will go in there 7 times. Let's check it out. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 2 is 14, 15, 16. 7 times 0 is 0 plus 1, and then 7 times 1 is 7. Okay, so we're going to subtract this off. We get 6. We have to borrow 1. This is 15. We get a 9. That will be a 1. So now that's 0 and 0. Okay. So this goes in there 7 times. There's nothing left over with a remainder of 96. Okay. So now since we have a remainder, we're going to interchange. Remainder goes outside. This goes inside. It's kind of like a roll swap. This is coming out. This is now going in. So we're going to have 96 on the outside divided into 1023. Okay, 96 will go into 102 once. When we subtract this, we get a remainder of 6. Bring down the 3. 96 will not go into that number at all. So we have a remainder of 63. And so we're going to put 63 on the outside now. 96 goes on the inside. And we're going to go, 63 goes into 96 once. And when we subtract this off, we get 33. And it will not go in there, so we have a remainder of 33. So now I'm going to come over here. 33 goes on the outside, and now 63 goes on the inside. 33 will go into here once, and that will leave us with 30. So we have a remainder of 30. Now we will do 30 on the outside and 33 on the inside. Goes into there once with a remainder of 3. And so now 3 goes on the outside and 30 goes on the inside. 3, 30. 3 will go into 30 10 times. Okay. And we have a remainder of 0. Okay, so at that moment when we get a remainder of 0, this is our greatest common divisor. So we just keep doing this method until we get a remainder of 0, and we get a remainder of 0 once we divide it by 3. So 3 is going to be our greatest common divisor.